HTTP is the protocol used for communication between web browser and web server. The communication begins when the browser sends an HTTP request to the web server. This request contains important information about the client. User agent tells the server which browser and operating system is sending the request. This field tells the server the preferred language of the client. This field shows the date and time when the request was sent. This field tells the server to keep the connection open for future requests. An HTTP response is sent from the server to the client. It travels across the network to the client.